Here are 40 idiot drivers. Before we continue, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications so you never miss another video. A driver backing up his truck backs it straight over the car behind him. A motorcycle drives up behind a van, which promptly puts it in reverse and backs over the motorcycle. This bus is driving on the wrong side of the road. A car passes in front of this semi and drives super slowly and nearly causes an accident before exiting. A black pickup turning left nearly scrapes the car filming. This blue car randomly brake checks and nearly causes an accident. A white van comes hurtling around the corner and not only nearly tips over, but also smashes into the guardrail. A car turns left on a red light right in front of a cop and is swiftly pulled over. Despite a sign saying no rights on red, a whole line of people decide to blow the red light anyway. An out-of-control car drives through a barrier and out of a parking garage. This driver is sitting with one of his feet hanging out the window without a shoe. Two cars get into a fender bender, which leads to an argument between the drivers, after which the white car decides to push and damage the other car. A car turning left nearly gets T-boned. A motorcycle does a wheelie while evading police. A car making an illegal left turn on a red nearly causes two accidents. A car turns left on a red and nearly ends up in a head-on collision. This pickup truck has flashing neon lights around its windows. A car stopped in the middle of the road forces cars to drive around it.
Tactically oriented, stereotypical.
A van stopped in the middle of the road causes a backup. A woman nearly gets hit by a car when she crosses the road without paying attention. A car trying to quickly swap lanes at an intersection nearly causes a wreck. A car drives on the wrong side of the road to pass traffic and ends up passing a cop car, getting themselves pulled over. A minivan changing lanes nearly causes two different cars to crash into it. A car is trying to make it past train tracks, but ends up getting caught in them, narrowly making it off the tracks in time. Two cars get into a light collision before one of them makes a break for it and accidentally takes out a crosswalk post on the walk. A car decided to suddenly brake and make a U-turn right in the middle of the road.
No, no.
Huh? Jesus.
Oh my God.
The cargo on the back of this truck comes loose and smashes into the car filming. A car drives and enters on the wrong side of the road on a roundabout. Four cars turn the wrong way on a one-way road. A speeding car passes a cop and is pulled over. This woman has both hands off the wheel, with one hand holding a cigarette and the other holding her phone. A car drives away with the gas hose still in the car. This driver is going 109 miles per hour. A car speeding and swerving around the highway hits the guardrail. This car's blinkers are contradicting each other. A car that illegally passes through other cars gets into an argument with a white car. After hitting a cyclist, this driver gets out and yanks someone off their motorbike. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to never miss our videos. Watch the videos on screen now.